Hi, my name is Alexis, and I am back doing another review on HIMG surface repair. This time we will be repairing a granite edge chip, as you can see here, using the LCA Clear repair material. And I'm going to follow the first step, which is to clean the surface free of any dust and debris. As you can see, it has a nice little groove. And from these pictures, you can see what it looks like from the other angle. So we have the LCA clear material here. And I'm just going to screw on the provided applicator tip. Now with an edge repair, I am going to build a wall here so that way I have somewhere to put the material in where it won't fall. It'll fit the shape that already exists. So for that, I'm going to use clear packing tape. And I'm going to go ahead and stick the tape to the side. And this part is sticky, but this part is not. And I'm going to go ahead and stick it all the way down, fold it under. And as you can see here, we have a nice size hole to fill now with a wall. So as I said before, they provide a nice little stand for you to use. So hopefully, since it's an edge, the stand will work, but if not, we're just going to hold the light over it once we fill it with the material, which I'm going to do now. I'm going to start kind of low. I'm going to take the provided applicator tool and just smooth this along on the side. And I'm going to use the provided curing strip to add to the top and flatten that out as well, like so. Now we're going to start the curing process, which just means hardening over the repair material. I'm going to try to set it up with this stand. Get it a little steady. Hopefully, and it should balance. All right. And we're gonna let that cure. All right, and so for purposes of the video, we sped up the curing time, and I'm also going to adjust the light just for this next section, since we're gonna be sanding so you can see the final product better. We're gonna remove the stand, and as you can see here, we have a curing strip. We're gonna take that off. And then we also have the tape to remove. And now we're going to use this provided sanding paper. And what I'm basically going to try to do is just sand it to the curve, like the surface. Some more. All right. It's nice and smooth, nice and solid. I like. I'm going to take a little polishing paste. Didn't mean to use that much, but, and the provided cloth, just gotta get some of that up. Polish that right on in. All right. And there you have it. See it from all angles, looks good. And that again was with the HIMG Surface Repair Clear LCA kit.